Alright, let's go over this problem. Find the increasing and decreasing intervals of a quadratic function with a vertex of 0, -3, and opening down. So my vertex, order pairs are written x, y. So if I graph this, on my x-axis I have 0, which is at the origin, and -3, which means I go which direction, class? Down. So there I have 0, -3. I like to put check marks so I know that I've done that. And now I need to draw a graph that is opening down. Graph. Didn't do a good job. That should be the highest point. Now I'm just going to randomly pick half of my parabola and color it orange. Partner A, tell partner B, how would you describe the orange? Boys, how would you describe the orange? We're going from left to right, so remember you are talking about the domain or x values. Boys, which direction is domain? Domain, we go from left to right. So what's happening to the graph as I go from left to right, boys? Increasing. Boys, where am I starting from? Boys, what's the first thing I'm touching there? Arrow. Where's that coming from, boys? The left, so positive or negative numbers? Negative what? So that's negative infinity. Boys, what symbol do I write there? Always? Parentheses, always with positive or negative infinity. And boys, what's the last thing I touched there? Or focus on the x-axis. 0. Remember, we do not need the y. I only need the x. I'm only focusing on the x-axis here. Okay? So that is 0. Boys, should I include that 0? No. Boys, how do I not include that? How do I show that? A parentheses. Okay. Remember on your roller coaster, this is the painstakingly slow part, right? You see it, right? And you stop right there. Girls, how would you describe this part?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. Let's write that down. Girls, as I'm starting here, what's my starting point? 0. What symbol? And what's the last thing I touched? Positive infinity. Remember, you're going on the x-axis, and in this direction, it's positive infinity. Do not look at the arrow pointing down. That student is confused with range. Because remember, range, this would be negative infinity, that would be positive infinity.